Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to configure ISP1 and ISP2 automatic failover only when the gateway is not reachable on a MikroTik router. If your main internet goes down, your backup ISP will automatically take over, no manual work. This method works on all MikroTik routers. So let's start. Create a password for router login. IP address configuration. ISP1 IP 192.168.10.160/24. ISP2 IP 192.168.134.8/24. LAN 192.168.2.1/24. Bridge port 3, port 4, port 5 as LAN. Google DNS is not responding to pings. ISP1 gate, receiving ping. ISP2 is also receiving pings. Now it's time to configure the DHCP server for the LAN. Now it's time to configure NAT. It's time to add the route now. Ensure that the distance for ISP1 is set to 1. Now that you see Google DNS starting to ping, it indicates that the internet is now functioning properly. The distance for the ISP2 router table should be set at 2. Configuration has been completed for ISP1 and ISP2 to enable failover. This will only function when the gateway is not reachable via ISP. I have disabled the ISP1 port, yet the internet continues to function. That's it, your MikroTik ISP failover is now active. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment if you need load balancing or PCC setup. Thanks for watching.